Section 4. Refining your application.
Planning your application. We're going to examine how to plan for your application. Once you've decided on what kind of app you want to build, it's important that you plan how you want to lay everything out for each screen. For more complicated applications, you should be sure to map each function to their screen to make sure you cover all their use cases, but we'll cover that in a later series. For this example, I created a basic layout for the application we are going to make. To create this layout, I use a free web service called marvelapp.com. However, there are many other choices you can use. If you're using an illustration program like Illustrator or Inkscape, be sure to find a compatible UI kit to hasten the process. There are 3 screens in our application: a splash screen, which is when your app loads, and then a tab screen that contains a to-do list and a list of top movies. When deciding what application to use to design your templates, make sure it is one that lets you make even small changes. Some of them will prevent you from changing text or moving things around. Be sure to try out your editor first before using it. Marvel was nice because it contained many of the elements you might use in an application, and also let me change each element as needed. Using software like this should be quick and easy. For example, I can add a navigation bar, a status bar, and a menu in 3 clicks. I can add a keyboard layout, bottom tab layout, and change and resize everything. Planning will save you time when developing your application, especially if you make sure you cover every function you want your application to have.